Hello everyone, I am Haiyin Zhe from Institute of Data Science and Knowledge Engineering, School of Computer Science in Beijing Institute of Technology. And in this session, we discuss about 4 main types of NoSQL database. NoSQL databases are mainly categorized into 4 types: key value pair database, column-oriented database, graph-based and document-oriented database. Every category has its unique attributes and limitations. None of the above specified database is better to solve all the problems. Users should select the database based on their product's needs. The key-value database is based on key-value pairs, key and value, to store and query data. Data is stored in key-value pair. It is designed in such a way to handle lots of data and heavy load. The basic idea is that the data value is queried by the key. The key can be a string type, and the value can be any type of data, such as integer, character array, list, collection, JSON, block, binary large object, etc. The underlying structure can use the hash table to index and manage the key to support faster query. But the key-value database does not support query based on data values. It is one of the most basic NoSQL database example. This kind of NoSQL database is used as a collection, dictionary, association arrays, etc. Key-value stores help the developer to store schema-less data. They work best for shopping cart content. Advantage of key-value database is good scalability, flexibility, and high performance when writing in large number. And the disadvantage of key-value database is it cannot store structured information, and conditional query is inefficient. Column-oriented database work on columns and are based on Bigtable paper by Google. The column storage database adopts the column storage structure, which is also called Decomposition Storage Model, DSM, which means that the data is retrieved, stored, and managed based on the range column. Column storage still use key, but the keys point to columns. The column storage database supports high compression ratios. The query on data field under large-scale data is very efficient, but it is not suitable for real-time deletion or updating of entire records and does not support data table join operation. Every column is treated separately. Values of single-column database are stored contiguously. Column-based NoSQL database deliver high performance on aggregation queries like sum, count, average, mean, etc., as the data is readily available in a column. Column-based NoSQL databases are widely used to manage data warehouse, business intelligence, CRM, customer relationship management, library card catalogs. Advantages of column storage database is fast search speed, strong scalability, easy distributed extension, low complexity. And the disadvantage of column storage database is fewer features. Most do not support strong transaction consistency. Now let's look at document-oriented NoSQL database. Document-oriented NoSQL database stores and retrieves data as a key-value pair, but the value part is stored as a document. The document is stored in JSON or XML format. The value is understood by the database and can be queried. The document database is organized around a series of semantically self-contained documents to organize data management. Documents have no schema, which means that documents do not require specific structure, which make it flexible. A document database is actually a collection of documents. A document is actually a data record. This record can self-describe the type and content of the data contained. XML documents, HTML documents, and JSON documents fall into this category. The data record contained in each document is a collection of series of data items. Each data item has a name and a corresponding value. The value can be a single data type such as string, a number, and a date, or it can be a complex type such as ordered list and associated objects. Document databases are particularly suitable for managing document-oriented data or similar semi-structured data such as websites with many read and write operations in the background. Applications that use JSON data structures or use nested structures, non-standardized data. Relational various document. In this diagram, on your left, you can see we have rows and columns, and in the right, we have a document database which has a similar structure to JSON. Now, for the relational database, you must know what columns you have and so on. However, for a document database, you have data stored like JSON object. The document type is mostly used for content management system, CMS, blogging platforms, real-time analytics, and e-commerce applications. It should not use for complex transactions, which require multiple operations or queries against varying aggregate structures. Advantages of document database is good performance, high concurrency, high flexibility, low complexity, and flexible data structure. Provides embedded document function to store frequently queried data in the same document. Indexes can be built based on either keys or content. And the disadvantage is lack of uniform query syntax. Now let's look at graph database. Graph database describing social relations and other data as points, vertex, and edges, and their properties. Each graph can be regarded as a structured data. The dots here represent entities such as person, company, accounts, or any other data item. Similar to data record in a relational database or file in a document database. Edges represent the relationship between points. Attributes it is the point-related feature that the user pays attention to. Relational database imply the association relationship between different data in the data range. While in the graphic database, this relationship is directly defined and stored in the database. Traversing relationship is fast, as they are already captured into the database, and there is no need to calculate them. So the graph database is good at handling highly related data, suitable for social networking, pattern recognition, dependency analysis, recommendation system, and path finding, and other problems that can be expressed as relationship graphs. Advantages of graph database is high flexibility, supporting for complex graphic algorithms, and it can be used to build complex relationship map, And the disadvantage of graph database is high complexity, can only support a certain data size. Document database include MongoDB, CouchDB, etc. Graph database include Neo4j, Infinite Graph, etc. Column database include Redis, DynamoDB, etc. And key value database includes HBase, Cassandra, etc. In this session, we learned 4 different types of NoSQL database. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to contact me.